The global shift toward health-conscious living was already underway. From green juices to plant-based diets, more people were trading in sodas for smoothies. But one recurring complaint remained. Blenders were bulky, noisy, and tied to kitchen outlets. For busy students, travelers, and gym lovers, that simply wouldn't do. Then came the solution, a sleek, portable blender that promised smoothies anywhere, anytime. In early 2025, fitness blogger Alyssa M. posted a casual What I Eat in a Day travel edition vlog. Midway through, she blended a banana spinach smoothie in her car using a USB-charged, cordless blender from AliExpress. Viewers flooded the comments. Where did you get that blender? By the next day, her video hit 1.2 million views. AliExpress sellers of portable blenders saw a 300% spike in orders. The features that fit every lifestyle. The blender wasn't just portable, it was smart. Features included USB-C charging, compatible with power banks, self-cleaning mode, 6-blade stainless steel power, BPA-free bottle that doubled as a cup. For urban commuters, digital nomads, and even moms at playgrounds, it became a must-have wellness companion. You find it in the link in the description below. The influencer chain reaction. TikTok jumped in. Health creators made smoothie on the go reels. One video even showed someone blending protein shakes mid-hike. A college student filmed her morning dorm routine, ending with a mango smoothie by her window using the same blender. The product link is in the description below. AliExpress sellers began branding the blender as